Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today we'll be making coffee soufflé. To make the coffee soufflé, you'll need the following ingredients: 3 eggs, separate the egg yolk and the egg white, 2 packets of cream, 10 tablespoons of sugar, 2 tablespoons of coffee, 1.5 liter of milk, 2 tablespoons of gelatin, and 1.5 cup of water. So let's get started. Firstly, put the egg yolks, milk, and the sugar into the pan and mix it well. Whisk all the ingredients properly. This is to make the custard for the soufflé. Now put the mixture onto low flame and make sure you stir it continuously. We need to get the gelatin mixture ready, so put 2 tablespoons of gelatin into a bowl and soak it in 1/4 cup of water. Then mix the gelatin into the water. Now put the egg whites into a bowl and beat it thoroughly until it forms stiff peaks. You can check if the egg whites have turned stiff by simply turning the bowl upside down. The custard on the stove is now getting thick, as you can see. I'm constantly beating the egg whites so they can get thicker and thicker. Look how the steves are big, because as I'm turning the bowl upside down, the egg whites will stick to the bowl. Both our key mixes to the soufflé are ready. So in a separate bowl, beat 2 packets of cream. Now put the gelatin mixture into the custard and mix it until it is completely dissolved. Now put 5 tablespoons of sugars into the cream and beat the cream thoroughly again. Look at the cream's texture, it's getting really fluffy. You can add the coffee into the cream or into the custard, it's up to you. And then thoroughly beat in the coffee. So now the cream mixture, the stiff egg whites and the custard are ready. Now pour the custard into the cream mixture and beat it on a low speed, or you can use a hand beater. As both of the mixture are completely mixed, it's time to add the egg whites, and make sure you don't use a beater at this stage and you use a whisk. Now put the soufflé into the freezer for 2 hours and refrigerate it overnight for good results, and the soufflé is ready for serving within 4 to 5 hours.